Looks like the big cat meets the small mouse. Let's see what happens. Good, cool. Look, meaning doesn't matter. Hanak. Hello. Hindi naman kumakain si Miming ng daga. Alam mo naman yan. Gusto niyan tuna. Hindi. Parang ginarap niya lang. Mama! Go! Hey, Miming, dish is served. You don't want? Nah, you just want tuna. Okay, bye.